How to save files from Dropbox to your iPhone. So to start, we'll have to open our Dropbox application, and then in here we'll have to tap on this files option. And then after that, it will automatically show you all the files that you have on your account. So in here, if you want to save an image and you are using iPhone, all you need to do is to tap on these three dots. And then after that, in here, you are supposed to automatically see an option to save the image. But since I'm using an Android phone, what I need to do is to go back. I'll have to tap and hold on the image, and then on top, I'll have to tap on these three dots. After that, tap on the export option. And then in here, you will now see this option, save to device. What we need to do is to tap on this one to save the image to our gallery. Another thing that you can do if you want to save a file, what you need to do is to select the file. In here, tap on these three dots. And then after that, you will now see this option, save to device. What you need to do is to simply tap on this one and then in here tap on the save option. The process would be the same if you are using an iPhone. So those are the ways on how you can save files and images from Dropbox to your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.